Good morning, students of 8th standard. I hope so. You might have seen the video and you might have written the question answers in your notebook. Today we will do lesson number 7, that is non-cooperation movement. And if you are having the textbook, you can open to page number 31. Now I will explain you the lesson. This lesson is based mainly on the rules of Gandhiji. When Gandhiji went to South Africa, why he went to South Africa, what he did for the people of South Africa. The Indian people were staying in South Africa, for them what he has done. And he has started the Satyagraha. Now what is the meaning of Satyagraha? Satyagraha means the non-violence. Non-violence means what? We have to be justice. That means justice should be given to all persons. They should be truthful and justice should be given to all. And according to Gandhiji, Gandhiji believed in non-violence. He told, or his teachings were, violence should not be done to people and we have to be truthful to the people. These were his law when he started the Satyagraha. Okay, I will explain you in short. Now, the beginning of Gandhian era. After the death of Lokmanya Tilak in 1920, Gandhiji took over the Indians' freedom struggle. The period between 1920 to 1947 is known as Gandhian era in the Indian national movement. With the principles of truth, non-violence and Satyagraha, he gave new direction to the freedom movement. It became more comprehensive. Now, the works done by Gandhiji in South Africa, that means in short, Gandhiji's work in South Africa. Many Indians had settled in South Africa for the purpose of trade and business. They were treated as criminals and they have to carry an I card or they have to have an I card with them. Now in 1906, the government declared that it was compulsory for blacks to carry identity card. Gandhi launched Satyagraha against this injustice and gained justice for the people, those who were living in the South Africa. Now, initiation or initial Satyagraha of Gandhiji. Now, there are different kinds of Satyagrahas, that is the Champaran Satyagraha, then Kheda Satyagraha, then mill workers movement at the Ahmedabad place. Now, as I told you, Satyagraha, what does Satyagraha means? Satyagraha means insistence of truth. It is a noble technique of resisting injustice using non-violence method. The aim of Satyagraha was to make the unjust people aware of truth and justice and also to transfer his view. A Satyagrahi should never use violence and untruth means. Clear? Now, the types of Satyagraha I told you, Champaran Satyagraha. The first Satyagraha of Gandhiji in India. The farmers of Champaran in Bihar were forced to cultivate indigos. They received a fixed amount from the plantation owners. Gandhiji organized the farmers and launched Satyagraha against plantation owners. He was successful and the farmers were given justice. Now the next one is the Khed Satyagraha. In spite of continuous famine in Khed district of Gujarat, farmers were forced to pay land tax. In 1918, Gandhiji led Satyagraha and he revolted against the tax. In a short period, the government suspended the tax. Now, the milk workers movement at Ahmedabad, that means in Gujarat. During the First World War, the inflammation or the inflation was very high. The milk workers demanded for rise in salary, which was refused by the mill owner. On Gandhiji's advice, the workers went on hunger strike. Due to this, the mill owner raised the salary of the workers. Now, again we are having the revolt part, that is the Rowlatt Act. On 17 March 1919, a new law was passed on the recommendation of Sir Sidney Rowlatt without considering the opposition of Indian members in Central Legislative Assembly. The Rowlatt Act was passed to check the growing discontent and suggest measures. It authorized the government to arrest any Indian and imprison him without trial or warrant. Then the Satyagraha. I told you Satyagraha was done by Gandhiji, na? Now it was condemned by the Indians as Black Act. Gandhiji called upon the people to observe Hartal on 6th April to protest against the act. Indians responded to this appeal on a large scale. Now, if you are having book, you can turn to the next page. Now, the topic I will teach you, that is known as the Jallianwala Bagh. Clear? You can see here in this page, last topic, that is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Okay, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Now, what happened in this act? Many of the peoples were killed. Now see, this Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in Punjab. Okay, now Amritsar in Punjab became the main center of movement against the Rowlatt Act. The British resorted to suppressive measures in Punjab and did not give permission to Gandhiji to enter Punjab. Public meetings in Amritsar were banned. Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Kichulu were arrested in Amritsar. Then, what incident took place? What was the incident taking place in this? On the occasion of Baisakhi, people gathered at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar on 13th April 1919. It was enclosed on all sides and had only one small gate. Okay, I'll continue next video.